So obviously I could step on the chair, but that is very dangerous and I am clumsy. And I have other light bulbs in the house that are way taller than this one. But I thought that these are a good example because they have this tight space around it. So this can go up to my 12-foot ceilings. I don't have a ladder either, so this is perfect. So as you can see, it can go all the way up to my 12-foot ceilings, which is perfect because I have a lot of light bulbs that are in my ceilings that are that high. So it comes with this first attachment, and it also comes with 2 other attachments for all different kinds of light bulbs. And then all you have to do is untwist it, and then keep untwisting it, and then boom. You have your light bulb unscrewed. Now to put it back in there, and then you're just gonna do the same thing, and then there you go. So if you're short like me and you have trouble changing your light bulbs, this is a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.